Welcome to my channel. Today video topic is modern and minimalist bedrooms. We will explore important elements of these styles. Neutral room colors with shades of white, grey, beige or taupe. Simple and sleek lighting fixtures such as pendant lights or wall sconces. Crisp white or solid colored bedding with minimal patterns. The bed is without headboard. Nightstands with simple design. Sleek and simple window curtains that allow ample natural light into the room. Clean and unadorned walls, often painted in neutral colors or with a simple accent wall. Hardwood flooring without excessive rugs or carpets. A sleek dresser or a minimalist accent chair. Built-in shelves and wardrobes having maximum storage. Like, comments and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.